Payroll is changing, and ADP and DailyPay are helping to lead the way. Through a state-of-the-art integration, DailyPay, the premier provider of on-demand pay, can offer ADP clients the ability to provide their employees instant access to earned but unpaid income at no cost to the employer. Through this highly anticipated ADP Marketplace integration, implementation is turnkey and doesn't require any changes to employers' current payroll process, including timing of funds. Plus, DailyPay is the industry leader in compliance. DailyPay's Pay Experience platform enables employees to control the timing of their pay, allowing them to meet unexpected expenses, pay bills on time, and save money before payday. The result is a meaningful and measurable improvement in employee retention and engagement. Employers offering DailyPay have seen a 45% reduction in turnover and have been able to fill open positions 52% faster. Employee satisfaction has even increased by 87%. With DailyPay, employees have access to 100% of their net earned income, 24/7, 365, on any device, and can receive funds instantly, directly deposited into any bank account, pay card, or debit card they choose. Change is upon us. It's important you don't get left behind. DailyPay can make sure that never happens. ADP Marketplace is a digital HR storefront offering a collection of highly rated HR solutions ready to seamlessly and securely connect and share data with the ADP platform. To learn more, visit DailyPay on ADP Marketplace, marketplace.adp.com/DailyPay.